Hey guys, so quick answer for Xiaomi Pad 5 is that it doesn't have native SIM slot. So just be aware of it, that if you want to get it, is that it just doesn't have it. Therefore, you won't be able to add a SIM card there. So the one thing you can do, if you want to get, let's say, a data, you can get a portable modem. And when you're going to have like portable modem, then you through the Wi-Fi you could connect to like this is something that I have, for example, in a car, right? I have like something similar to this, and I have it in a car. So my girlfriend doesn't really use data from her phone, so she always connects her phone to the Wi-Fi that I added in my car. So there isn't Wi-Fi directly in my car, but I get this modem that is connected to the USB for like charging on car, and she just used that. So that's it.